Hello students, welcome back to my video. Today we will start chapter number 8, that is Enjoy with TuxPaint. So what is TuxPaint? So it is a painting software, okay, like MS Paint we have done. So TuxPaint is a software like Paint meant for drawing and painting. It has number of tools to help you draw and color. It also has interesting sound effects, so keep the speakers of your system on. That means it is a very interesting painting tool, okay, painting software where you can draw and paint many interesting things. You can get many different types of tools, shapes, okay, sound effects. So in generally in all painting softwares you do not have the sound, but here you will get the sound effects also, okay. So you can see how to start Tux Paint. So you can see this is the icon of the Tux Paint. So click on start all programs, Tux Paint windowed, then double click the, or you can double click the Tux Paint icon on your desktop, okay. In this way you can open. Then after opening you can see this here, it is written and shown in the picture how to open this Tux Paint. All programs, then Tux Paint windowed like this. After that you will get this window, opening window, starting window, okay, like this Tux Paint. And here you can see you have to wait for 30 seconds about, and it will start. Then after that you will get the main window of the Tux Paint. So this is the main screen, main window of the Tux Paint, okay. So here you can see many tools are given here: paint, lines, text, undo, eraser, stamp, etc. Here you can see many brushes are there, many types of brushes. This is called drawing canvas. This white area is called the drawing canvas where you can draw and paint. These are called selectors, okay. This is color palette where you can get many types of colors, and this is the help area where any type of help will be written, okay. Okay, now see the main screen. So main screen is divided into 5 parts, that is toolbar, drawing canvas, selector, colors, and help area. So I have shown you in this figure, okay. So what is toolbar? In the left side of a main screen it is given, and it contains drawing and editing tools. Drawing canvas means it is the center main part where you can draw your figures and paint. Selector means where you will get different types of brush tool, okay, and then different types of tools. Then colors, okay, in the colors you will get the color palettes. It has 18 colors. The first 17 colors are fixed, and 18 color on the right is one that you are allowed to change, okay, that 18th number color. So just click on the color here, this will open color box. This color box will open, okay. So as you move over the colors, the same color will appear in the square upper right side. Click the colors you like, you will now see this color in the 18th ring of the color palette. That means 18th color you can choose by your own. Understood? Then help area, it is present in the bottom of the screen. It provides the tips and other information about the selected tool. Okay. Then go to next page. So in the next page, the details about the main drawing tools are given here. So first of all is paint tool. So paint tool means it is like a brush, you can say, or pencil. Okay. So paint tool lets you draw stars, arrows, and also freehand drawing. So how to do this? So click on this paint. So at the top it is given paint. Okay, the paint tool at the top it is given. Click on that and simply draw here the figures, whatever you want. Okay. Then select the color. From here you can select the color, whatever color you want. Then that paint brush color will change. Then also select the size of the brush. So here you can select the size of the brush. Then many types of shapes are also there. You can select the shapes also by clicking on it, and after that you can draw. Understood? By your mouse. Then lines tool. So lines tool you can see here. So this is line tool. So with the help of this you can draw straight lines. Okay. So line tools, click the line tool. Again you can take any color from this color palette. Then select the thickness of the line. So from here you can select the thickness of the line. After that draw here with the mouse. Next tool is shapes. Okay, you can see shapes tool here. This is shape tool. Click on that and you will get many types of shapes here. Here you can see the shapes will come here. Okay, square, rectangle, square, circle, many types of circle, ellipse, triangle, everything is there. So whatever shape you want to draw, click on that and then draw here with your mouse. Okay, and before that you can select any color. Okay, from here, so you can see many colorful figures are there. So very easy tool to use. Next is text. Text tool lets you add text or numbers in the drawing area. That means you can write anything in the using this text tool. So where is the text tool? Here ABC written. This is a text tool. So with the help of this text tool, you can write anything here. See. So click on the text tool, then choose a color from the color palette. Which color you want to write? Type the text. Press the enter key to move the cursor down. So when you press enter key, the cursor will go to the next line, or press tab to move it to the right side. If you want to move the text you have typed a new place, just click at the place on the drawing canvas before pressing enter. So you'll find the new line text you have typed has moved to that location. Okay, only click enter and it will change the line. And again, one more thing you can see here, different types of handwritings is there. That means different types of font. Okay, so just click any one of them and the handwriting will be changed. So in the next page you can see magic tool, that means special effects. So this is special effect magic tool where you will see many special effects you can draw. So it lets you add different kinds of special effects to your drawing. So click the magic tool and then magic effect in the selector. So after that, after clicking this magic tool, select here in the selector. So in the selector you can see many magic tools are there. Blocks, then blur, bricks, then cartoon, chalk, darken, distortion, and when you click this triangle it will go down and it will give more selector options. Okay, just click on that and it will give everything. So you can see on the canvas grass, flowers, rainbow, rails, bricks. So whatever shape you want, whatever different types of effects you want to add to your drawing, you can click on that, and after that click select the color from here, this color palette, and draw on the canvas. Understood? So it's very interesting, it's look very nice when you draw it. Okay, next tool is eraser tool. So eraser tool you are already familiar with, because eraser means it is a tool which will remove or erase your drawing, portion of the drawing or whole drawing. Okay, so where it is here, eraser tool. Here it is eraser tool. So click on that with the mouse button and click on the drawing area and it will be removed. See, erased. And here you can select the size of your eraser. Okay, say big, small, whatever you want. Then press the mouse button and erase it. Okay, next topic is other controls. What are the other controls here? You can see undo and redo button are there, like MS Word. In the MS Word also undo and redo buttons are available. So undo will cancel the last action. Okay, last drawing action. So whatever we have done, it will cancel it. So it is same as like MS Word. Clicking the redo button will redo the drawing action just you undid or cancel. That means after undo you can do redo also. So, and this is the shortcut of the redo, undo, and new. Okay, so where you can get this redo, undo, here you can see. So this is undo and this is redo and this is new. So go to the next page. So what is the function of new tool? Here you can see new tool will start a new drawing. Okay, suppose you have finished one drawing, you want a new page for drawing. So when you click this new button, many types of pages will appear here, and of many colors are also. So whatever color you want, whatever page style you want, click on that page. Okay, then it will be opened on your canvas and you can start your drawing. Understood? So in this way you can get a new page for your drawing. After that, save. So save means after drawing you want to save your picture, otherwise it will erased. So how to save it? Click on the save button. Understood? So after clicking the save button, this will come. Save your picture first. Yes, save it. You have to click. Okay, then it will come. Replace the picture with your changes. Yes, replace the old one, or no, save a new file. So you have to click no save a new file, so it will be saved. After that, open means the open tool is used to load a picture that has been saved earlier. So whatever you have saved, it will be stored in your computer, and if you want to open it again, just click on that open button. Okay, here you can see the open button is there. This is the save button, this is the open button. Okay, click on that, it will open your saved drawing. Now go to the next page, that is print. This is a print tool. Print tool is used to print the picture using a printer. Okay, so here you can see the print tool. Here print tool is there, so it will print your picture using the printer. So click on it, so it will ask print your picture now. So if you want to print the picture, click yes, print it. If you don't want, then no, take me back. After that, quit tool means it is used to close the tux pane. After doing everything, now you want to close the tux pane, so click on the quit button. So this is the quit button, click on that, then it will ask, tux pane will ask, do you really want to quit? So if you want, then click yes, I am done. If you don't want to close, then no, take me back. Okay, in this way. So in this way, this chapter is complete. Every tool is complete. Okay, so read this chapter, very interesting chapter, and the next video I will make the practical of this chapter. Okay, thank you.